National Donut Day, one of my absolute favorite days of the calendar year. So in this video, I'm going to be celebrating the only way I know how by eating nothing but those delicious treats all day. However, this time around, we're going to change things up just a little bit. But before we dive into any details there, I think I need a little bit of a wardrobe change.
How, baby?
There we go. Much better, in my opinion. Now, like I mentioned, we're going to be changing things up just a little bit, so we're actually going to be breaking up a full 3-course meal and spread it out throughout the entire day. That means for breakfast, I'm going to have a sandwich. For lunch, I'm going to have soup. And finally, for dinner, I'm going to have a salad. Gotta end things off on a healthy note, right? Of course. And if you're curious, yes, all 3 of those meals are going to contain donuts. Why wouldn't they? But anyways, I can barely contain my hunger, nor my excitement, so I'm going to hit the road, get things started off with breakfast, so I'll see you in a few. Alrighty guys, first meal of the day, we're going to start things off with breakfast, since it's still sort of early. And we stopped at our good friends, or my good friends at least, Tim Hortons. Got myself a breakfast sandwich, but that's not all I got. I also got myself, you guessed it, 2 donuts.
Really?
Since this is a donut video, we're going to have a little bit of fun. Like I mentioned, get a little creative. So here's the breakfast sandwich. Nothing too fancy, just egg and cheese. There you go. And here's what we're going to do. I got 2 old-fashioned plain donuts. There we go. And I'm going to switch the English muffin for the 2 donuts. And that's going to be my breakfast. See if I can carefully do this here. Just peel off that egg. I mean, a little bit of cheese left on there, but, you know, is what it is. And we're going to sandwich these up. Oh, my goodness. Oh, this might just be the greatest day ever in my life. Seriously, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Absolutely amazing. All right. This might get a little messy. Don't go there. Cheers. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's like this shouldn't exist, but at the very same time, it absolutely should exist. Like, this truly hammers home the point that I always say. Old-fashioned plain donut literally can go with anything. Add peanut butter to it, chocolate, Nutella, an egg. Literally anything you can add to this. Last bite here. Just checking for crumbs. Just a little bit. Well, that was the last bite, I guess. Technically. Anyways, that was really good. Gonna take a quick sip of coffee because you guys know coffee and me are never too far apart. If I'm stopping to get stuff at Tim Hortons, I'm gonna get coffee. Let's be real. Love you. So good. All right. That was amazing. What a wonderful start. So that's one meal down. We'll check the sandwich off the list. That means we got a soup and a salad. So let's see how creative we get. And I'll see you in a little while for one of the 2 next meals. All right, everybody, welcome back and welcome to the second meal of the day. Now, since we already crossed sandwiches off the board, I feel like we should probably move on to something lighthearted, a little bit of a midday snack / meal. So soup feels pretty appropriate. So that means, yes, you are correct in seeing what's in front of me. And assuming that since it's donut themed, that means, indeed, this here is donut soup.
come on.
So I'm going to try and show it to you guys the best I can right there, but I don't want to tip this. It's very much liquidy. So, but what's in this is 2 melted donuts, 2 glazed donuts melted, some cream, some butter, vanilla extract, and then what I did to make the actual meat of the soup itself was chop up basically 2 donuts. So I think there's a maple dip in here, and then for garnish I don't even know what this one is, but they all came from our good friends at Torus Doughnuts. There's a little box that they came in just for show, and then I put some caramel drizzle on top as well too. So got my hat on, got a spoon. No time like the present. We're just gonna dive in here and see how she is. All right, so I'm gonna try the base itself first. Oh. Base is good. We'll say that much for sure. Let's dive into some of the meat here. So this is a maple dip, I believe. Let's try this. Oh. No, it's funny. I'm not sure if any of you guys are Seinfeld fans, but I was on one episode where I can't remember the character's name, but he gave Jerry like a brand new jacket. I think it was like an Armani suit or something like that. And so he's like, you don't owe me anything for it. Just take me out to dinner sometime. And he kept trying to take him out to dinner, but every time he wouldn't order anything more than like a soup or just something small. And always reminds me of it's just like, this is it. This is the meal. It's like, soup's not a meal. It's funny.
Hilarious.
Comment below if you get the reference. All right, let's dive into this. I don't even know what this is. I truthfully don't know what kind of donut this is. I don't know if it's the cream or the glaze, but there's coconut in this. Oh, I mean, I'm gonna eat it, don't get me wrong, but just does not sit well with me. Donut's still really good. I just should have looked at the flavors I was grabbing. I looked at most of them. I thought I did anyways, but I missed a few. I'm gonna go finish it. All right. So I got 1 chunk of donut left. Here we go. Last little bit right here. Cheers. All right, all done. That was really good. Really, really good. But also very sweet. I'm not gonna lie, it was super sweet. So much sugar. Anyways, shouldn't be surprised I made it. That's 2 down. That means there's only 1 of the 3 meals left. We've already mentioned it. We know what it's gonna be. But do we know exactly what it's gonna look like? Or what it's gonna taste like? That we do not. So we'll see you in a little bit for the final meal of the video. Alrighty folks, welcome to the final meal of the video. This one here, I'm going to be completely honest, may just be one of my absolute greatest creations of all time. We had a sandwich, we had soup, so we have to end things off with salad, even if it isn't one of the more healthier looking salads in the world. This right here is indeed a donut salad. What I did here, our good friends from Torus chopped up 6 whole donuts, multiple different flavors, some butterscotch chips, some milk chocolate chips, some sprinkles, some caramel syrup, same one that I used in the soup, and some chocolate syrup for dressing, essentially. So I don't know if I need a spoon or a fork or just use my hands, but we're gonna dive in here and I'm gonna let you know how it goes. All right. Truthfully, I probably should get more syrup, but yeah, we'll leave it as is. All right. Cheers. Like each bite I'm taking, there's a different flavor too, so it's all just hitting so well. Oh my gosh. I don't even remember the flavors. Okay, this one I think is like a pistachio cream, which is good, but if I had to pick one that I like the least, I would probably say this one. I will tell you right now, a wise cartoon daughter, I believe, once said, or maybe it wasn't the daughter, I don't know, sugar's clogging my brain, but they once said you don't make friends with salad. I never had this kind of salad. This is delicious, but it is filling. All right, 2 pieces left. Let's go. Let's go. Oof. The sweetness overload just, oof, it hits you like a ton of bricks. I'm telling you right now. Oh, last one. Okay. All right. There's nothing, just a couple crumbs, maybe a few chips left, but I'm done. That was so good, but halfway through, maybe 3/4, I just hit that sweetness wall. Oh, all right. Well, that's everything. Soup, sandwich, and salad. 3-course meal. Down the tubes. Down the hatch. Oh my gosh. Always ignore this water. All right. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Celebrating National Donut Day. Ooh, the only way I know how about eating donuts, but trying something a little bit different. So, as always, thank you so much for watching. That is going to be a wrap for this video, so please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Toss this video a good old-fashioned thumbs up if you liked it, and be sure to hit that channel bell for notifications so that you never miss a new video of mine. Just showing you it's a donut hat, even though you already seen it. And we'll see you in the next video.